Hello everyone. So today we are going to do revision of chapter number 14, electric current and its effect. So concept map is there. First, our main topic is electric current. The name of our chapter, electric current. So flow of electron sources. So two paths we have given here. Flow along the path called electric circuit. तो जो पाथ में से जो फ्लो पास होता है वो सर्किट को, वो पाथ को बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट। और उसकी इफ़ेक्ट क्या है, तो उसकी इफ़ेक्ट में एक मैग्नेटिक आएगी और एक हीटिंग इफ़ेक्ट आएगी। तो मैग्नेटिक में क्या है कि करंट कैरिंग वायर बिहेव्स लाइक अ मैग्नेट, और जो भी करंट जा रहा है सर्किट में से वो मैग्नेट की जैसा बिहेव करेगा। और हीटिंग, तो वो क्या करेगा, उसमें से हीट प्रोड्यूस करेगा। जब भी उसमें से हाई रेजिस्टेंस वायर में से करंट पास होगा तब उसमें से हीट प्रोड्यूस करेगा। बाद में आते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट के सोर्सेस। तो सोर्सेस में आएगा इलेक्ट्रिक सेल। इलेक्ट्रिक सेल एक होता है और एक या दो सेल्स को आप ज्वाइन करोगे एक साथ तो वो हो जाएगी हमारी इलेक्ट्रिक बैटरी। बाद में आता है इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट। तो हमारे पास दो टाइप की सर्किट है, जब वो ऑफ होती है तब की सर्किट और ऑन होती है तब की सर्किट। तो होती है ओपन सर्किट और क्लोज सर्किट। ओपन सर्किट एंड क्लोज सर्किट। ओपन मीन्स कि हमारी जो सर्किट है वो अभी स्विच उसकी ऑफ है, और क्लोज मतलब उसकी स्विच ऑन है। तो जो हीटिंग है, इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज जैसे कि हमने ले लिया, ब्रेक्स द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट व्हेन देयर इज एक्सेसिव फ्लो ऑफ करंट इन द सर्किट। इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब, हीटर, आयरन, ईटीसी। तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ क्या है कि जब इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट जो है हमारे व्हेनेवर इट फ्लोइंग एक्सेसिव करंट इन द सर्किट देन दैट वायर विल बी ब्रेक डाउन, और ब्रेक हो जाएगी। एंड व्हाट इज द एप्लीकेशन एंड व्हाट इफेक्ट द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। सो इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब इज देयर, हीटर इज देयर, आयरन, ईटीसी। तो ये सब क्या है, दे आर गिविंग heat by the processing of or traveling of electric current in the circuit. Then electromagnet. So cranes you can take, you have seen the cranes that they are collecting some iron filling from the garbage, toys, electric bells, etc. So points to remember. Okay, so in this chapter we have studied concept map. Same as points to remember they have given in the statements. So the flow of electrons through the conductor is called electric current. तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है उसका फ्लो जो कंडक्टर में से जा रहा है उसको बोलेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। It is convenient to represent electric components such as cells, bulbs and wire by their symbols. In the symbol of electric cell, the longer line represent the positive terminal and the thicker, shorter line represent the negative terminal. The combination of two or more cells in such a way that the positive terminal of the cell connected to the negative terminal and next cell is called battery. देखो what they have written here, two or more cells in such a way. Positive terminal, one of the cell connected to negative to next cell is called battery. See, in the battery you cannot connect positive with positive and negative with negative. You have to connect positive with negative, negative with positive, then it will make our battery. A cell holder is used for connecting cells to prepare batteries for various activity. So cell holder that we have seen, cell holder we are using to make up batteries for our various activities, doing experiments and all. A path along which the electric current flows flows is called electric circuit. So the path, along which the electric current flows is called electric circuit. जो पाथ में से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो हो रहा है उसको बोलेंगे हम इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट. तो डायग्राम दैट शोज द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ वेरियस इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट इन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर सिंबल इज कॉल्ड सर्किट डायग्राम. जो डायग्राम है वो शो करता है कि वेरियस इलेक्ट्रिकल कंपोनेंट इन एन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर सिंबल्स इज कॉल्ड सर्किट डायग्राम. व्हेन द स्विच इज ऑन पोजिशन in an electric circuit, the circuit is complete. ऑन पोजीशन में है तो वो एक इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट के जैसा बिहेव करेगी. तो अगर ऑन पोजीशन में तो हमारी सर्किट क्लोज होगी एंड द क्लोज सर्किट इज कॉल्ड कंप्लीट सर्किट. द सर्किट इज सेड टू बी क्लोज एंड द करंट फ्लोज थ्रू आउट द सर्किट इंस्टेंटली. व्हेन द स्विच इज इन ऑफ पोजीशन द सर्किट इज इनकम्प्लीट. The circuit is then said to be open. No current flows through any part of the circuit. In the bulb, there is a thin wire called filament. When an electric current passes through the filament, it glows. If the filament of the bulb is broken, the circuit is incomplete and bulb does not glow. फिलामेंट अगर बल्ब का टूटा हुआ है देन इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट विल नॉट फ्लो द इलेक्ट्रिक करंट एंड बल्ब विल नॉट ग्लो जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट फ्लोइंग इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इन द फिलामेंट. व्हेन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट इज पास थ्रू द इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंस अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज प्रोड्यूस इन अ एलिमेंट ड्यू टू विच इट बिकम्स हॉट. दिस इज कॉल्ड हीटिंग इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. ओके. 23 points are there. Okay, so electric appliance like a room heater, geyser contain a coil of fire which is called an element. It is made of a nichrome alloy. The amount of heat produced in a wire depends its material length and thickness. तो हीट प्रोड्यूस कैसे हो रही है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि उसका मटेरियल कैसा है, उसकी लेंथ कैसी है, उसकी थिकनेस कैसी है. LED bulb are prefer over incandescent bulb or fluorescent tubes or CFL, compact fluorescent lamp, to reduce the wastage of energy. So Bureau of Indian Standards, New Delhi assigned the ISI mark on electric appliance. ISI marks ensure that the appliance is safe and wastage of energy is minimum. An electric fuse is a safety device that breaks the electric circuit when there is excessive flow of current in the circuit. It prevents the damage to the electric appliance and possible fires. The excessive current can flow in the household circuit due to short circuit and overloading. Miniature circuit (MCB). Miniature circuit breakers are switches that automatically turn off when the current is an electric circuit exceeds the safe limit. Hans Christian Oersted was the first person to notice the deflection of a compass needle every time the current was passed through the wire. When an electric current flows through the wire, it behaves like a magnet. This is called the magnetic effect of current. A current carrying coil of an insulated wire wrapped around the piece of iron is called electromagnet. An electric bell works on the magnetic effect of electric current. It has a electromagnet inside it. Okay. Current carrying coil with insulated wire wrapped around a piece of iron is called electromagnet. electrobell works on the magnetic effect of a electric current. It has a electromagnet inside it. Which terminal does the longer line in the symbol? Section A objective type questions are there. First question is tick the correct option. So which terminal does the longer line in the symbol of an electric cell represent? Positive. Which of the following electric appliance does not contain an element? Electric fan. The filament of an electric bulb starts glowing when it gets heated to a high temperature. Which of the following are the most electricity efficient? LED bulbs. An electric bell works on the principle of magnetic effect of electric current. Fill in the blanks. A combination of two or more cells is called battery. An electric bulb glows due to thin wire called filament present in it. Electric appliances like room heater contain a coil of a wire called an element. Electric circuit causes short circuit. Electric cell. B is there. Switch in off position. E. Switch in on position. A. Battery. C. Electric bulb. D. So it is difficult to draw a circuit diagram using symbols. False. A key of switch can be placed anywhere in a circuit. True. An electric iron works on the principle of heating effect on electric current. True. Damaged fluorescent tube can be disposed of anywhere. False. Electromagnet retain their magnetism even when the electric current through them is switched off. False. How are connecting wires in an electric circuit represented symbolically? So the wire used to connect the various components in a circuit are represented by lines. Name any four devices that use batteries to operate. Torch है, transistor है, toys है, TV का remote ले लो. Why are plus and minus symbols usually printed in a battery compartment? So in order to help us to place the cells correctly in a battery compartment. Okay, what is the easiest way to represent electric component of a circuit? By drawing its symbol. Why is the electric circuit generally represented by circuit diagram? So it is much easier to draw a circuit diagram using symbol. When the filament of electric bulb is broken, would be circuit to complete and bulb glow? No circuit is incomplete and bulb will not glow. Why does the electric bulb become warm? So due to heating effect of electric current, an electric bulb becomes warm. Name any four electric appliances that make use of heating effect of electric current. Room heater, electric iron, geyser and electric kettle. So on what factor does the amount of heat produced in a wire depend? Material, length and thickness of wire. Why are the LED bulbs preferred over incandescent bulb and fluorescent tubes and CFLs? So LED bulbs are preferred as they consume less electricity. Which organization assigned ISI mark to various electric appliances? Bureau of Indian Standard, New Delhi. What do you think will happen when current in an electric wire exceed its safe limit accidentally? So if current exceeds its safe limit, the wire may become overheated and may cause fire. Name the device that is increasingly being used these days in place of fuses. Miniature circuit breaker MCB. साइंटिस्ट का नाम देना हैंस क्रिस्टियन ओरेस्टेड. Short question answers is there. इतना ही करना है हमको। रीड दिस क्वेश्चन देन आई विल स्टार्ट फॉर 1 minute. So how are the terminals of the cells connected when they are placed side by side to make a battery? So when the cells are placed side by side to make a battery, the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of other cell of a metal strip or a thick wire. मैंने आपको बोला कि पॉजिटिव हमें नेगेटिव के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, नेगेटिव को पॉजिटिव के साथ कनेक्ट करना है। How can we make a cell holder at home? So we can make a cell holder by using wooden block, 2 iron strips and rubber band. Place the cells on a wooden block, one after the other, connected by metal strip at their end in such a way that the positive circuit diagram is there. First is on position means first figure is given in a closed circuit, and second is the open circuit because switch is not in off position. First is our complete circuit and second is our incomplete circuit. So what are the two essential conditions required to glow bulb in electric circuit? The first condition is required to glow bulb in an electric circuit is that switch should be in on position and second is circuit should be closed. Okay, when the switch is in on position and circuit from the positive terminal to the battery and negative terminal is complete, the circuit is then said to be closed and the current flows through the circuit instantly. Open. When the switch is in the off position, the circuit is incomplete, it is said to be open, no current flows through any part of the circuit. ओपन में क्या है, एक तो ऑफ पोजीशन में होगी, सर्किट हमारी इनकम्प्लीट होगी, उसमें से करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, इसलिए उसको बोलेंगे ओपन सर्किट. So what do you understand by an electric fuse? Which material should be used for making a fuse? The electric fuse is a safety device that breaks an electric circuit when there is an excessive flow of current in a circuit. Wire made from a material having a low melting point should be used for making a fuse. तो आपने इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ के बारे में क्या समझा? फ्यूज़ बनाने के लिए कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ करना चाहिए? तो इलेक्ट्रिक फ्यूज़ जो है वो सेफ्टी डिवाइस है, वो इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट को ब्रेक करता है कब? जब उसमें से एक्सेसिव फ्लो ऑफ करंट सर्किट में पास होता है तब. और वायर जो है मेड फ्रॉम अ मटेरियल हैविंग अ लो मेल्टिंग पॉइंट शुड बी यूज फॉर मेकिंग अ फ्यूज़. Differentiate the short circuit and overloading. So the excessive flow of current due to touching of wire leads short circuit. तो अगर दो वायर एक दूसरे के साथ टच हो रहे हैं और उसमें से ज़्यादा करंट फ्लो हो रहा है तो उसको बोलेंगे शॉर्ट सर्किट. और ओवरलोडिंग का मतलब क्या है कि ओवरहीटिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक वायरिंग इट्स ड्यू टू द flow of large current through its leads the overloading. And the last question, how does MCB work? Why it is preferred over an electric fuse? MCBs are the switches which automatically turn off when current in a circuit exceeds the safe limit. After the fault has been corrected, MCB is turned on and circuit becomes complete again. However, fuse can be used only once and has to be replaced when its wire melts and breaks to restore the electric supply again. That is why MCBs prefer over an electric fuse. Okay, so we have completed here the revision of chapter number 14.
And its effects. Question number 1. Which of the following appliances does not use an electromagnet? Option A. Washing machine. Option B. Refrigerator. Option C. Electric heater. Option D. Electric bell. The correct answer is option C. Electric heater. Electric heater does not work by using an electromagnet. It works due to the heating effect of electricity. Question number 2. Copper wires are used as connecting wires because option A. Copper has very high melting point. Option B. Copper wires are very thick wires. Option C. Copper wire offers a lower resistance. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is option C. Copper wire offers a lower resistance. Copper is a good conductor of electricity that allows the electricity to flow through it easily. So it is used to make connecting wires. Copper as a connecting wire has a very low electrical resistance. Question number 3. A fuse wire is made up of alloy. Option A. Nichrome. Option B. Tin lead. Option C. Manganin. Option D. Constantan. The correct answer is option B. Tin lead. Fuse wire is made of a tin-lead alloy because they have high resistance. Due to high resistance, the wire heats up quickly when large current flows. Question number 4. Which symbol of the component is represented here? Option A. Switch in the on position. Option B. Switch in the off position. Option C. Circuit breaker. Option D. Battery. The correct answer is option B. Switch in the off position. In the off position of the switch, the two terminals are not connected. Question number 5. The symbol of a cell is given as. What does the shorter/thicker vertical line in the symbol of a cell represent? Option A. The positive terminal. Option B. The negative terminal. Option C. The direction of current. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option B. The negative terminal. In the symbol of an electric cell, the thicker, shorter line represents the negative terminal and the thinner, longer line represents the positive terminal. Question number 6. Which of the following materials allows electricity to pass through it? Option A. Conductor. Option B. Insulator. Option C. Rubber. Option D. Glass. The correct answer is option A. Conductor. An electrical conductor conducts electricity. Question number 7. Which of the following is an electrical insulator? Option A. Aluminium. Option B. Gold. Option C. Cork. Option D. Copper. The correct answer is Option C. Cork. The substance which does not allow electric current to pass through it is called an electrical insulator. Question number 8. Identify the element that is used for making the filament in bulbs. Option A. Tungsten. Option B. Copper. Option C. Aluminium. Option D. Silver. The correct answer is Option A. Tungsten. Tungsten is the element that glows. It is used for making the filament in bulbs. Question number 9. Why is electrical wiring usually covered with a layer of plastic? Option A. To make it strong. Option B. To allow electricity to flow in it. Option C. To make it safe. Option D. To make it beautiful. The correct answer is Option C. To make it safe. Plastic is a good insulator of electricity and so makes it safe to touch the wire with a plastic covering. Question number 10. Why does the bulb glow brighter when it is powered by 2 cells rather than 1? Option A. The flow of electricity in the circuit is less. Option B. The flow of electricity in the circuit is the same. Option C. The flow of electricity in the circuit is greater. Option D. The flow of electricity fluctuates. The correct answer is Option C. The flow of electricity in the circuit is greater. More chemical energy is converted to electrical energy when 2 cells are used. Consequently, the flow of electric current is greater. Question number 11. Which of the following devices can be used to measure electric current in a circuit? Option A. Speedometer. Option B. Ammeter. Option C. Voltmeter. Option D. Battery. The correct answer is Option B. Ammeter. An ammeter is a device that can be used to measure electric current in a circuit. Question number 12. Which of the following does not produce electrical energy? Option A. Generator. Option B. Motor. Option C. Battery. Option D. Cell. The correct answer is Option B. Motor. An electric motor converts electrical energy to mechanical energy. Hence, it is a consumer of electric energy. Question number 13. Identify the substance that is easy to magnetize and demagnetize. Option A. Steel. Option B. Cobalt. Option C. Soft iron. Option D. Nickel. The correct answer is Option C. Soft iron. Soft iron is easy to magnetize and demagnetize. Hence, it is used as a core in making electromagnets. Question number 14. Tungsten is used for the manufacture of an electric bulb because Option A. It is malleable. Option B. It is inexpensive. Option C. It has a very high melting point. Option D. It is a good conductor. The correct answer is Option C. It has a very high melting point. Tungsten has some amazing properties including the highest melting point, lowest vapor pressure, and greatest tensile strength out of all the metals. Because of these properties, it is the most commonly used material for light bulb filaments. Question number 15. Fuse is a. Option A. Is a safety device which prevents damage to electric circuits and possible fire. Option B. Is made up of an insulating material to avoid electric shocks. Option C. Is a device which is used to measure the flow of electric current through a circuit. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option A. is a safety device which prevents damage to electric circuits and possible fire. A fuse is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit. Question number 16. Which mark is necessary on electrical appliances? Option A, ISI. Option B, HCCI. Option C, UG mark. Option D, KSK. The correct answer is option A, ISI. Question number 17. When we switch on an electric bell, option A, the flow of electric current through the electromagnet in the bell stops. Option B, the current starts to flow through the electromagnet. Option C, there occurs a decrease in the voltage of the current flowing through the electromagnet. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. The current starts to flow through the electromagnet. An electric bell is a mechanical bell that functions by means of an electromagnet. When an electric current flows through the coils, the electromagnet creates a magnetic field which pulls the armature towards it, causing the clapper to strike the bell. Question number 18. In electric fittings, the wires are earthed because option A, it avoids leakage of electricity. Option B, in case of short circuit, current passes to the earth. Option C, it completes the electric current. Option D, it reduces fluctuation. The correct answer is option B. In case of short circuit, current passes to the earth. Earthing is used to protect you from an electric shock. It does this by providing a path for a fault current to flow to earth. It also causes the protective device, either a circuit breaker or fuse, to switch off the electric current to the circuit that has the fault. Question number 19. A combination of two or more cells is called option A, battery. Option B, a button cell. Option C, an electric cell. Option D, truck battery. The correct answer is option A, battery. Question number 20. The heat energy produced by a glowing bulb can be minimized by using underscore bulbs in place of ordinary electric bulbs. Option A, a candle. Option B, CFL bulbs. Option C, torch. Option D, kerosene lamp. The correct answer is option B,